Good day, St. Maarten. As your Minister of Public Health, Social Development and Labor, I stand here today to inform you that today starts the week of the World Antimicrobial Awareness Week, also known as WOW, which is an opportunity created from November 18th to November 24th to increase awareness on AMR. The 2022 global theme is Preventing Antimicrobial Resistance Together. What is antimicrobial resistance? It occurs when the bacteria change over a time and no longer responds to the medicine, making it harder to treat, increasing risk of disease or also illness or death. Globally, we all have a role to play. St. Maarten is doing its part in joining the fight against the antimicrobial. We raise awareness. Together, let us join and learn on AMR and stop this world crisis.